Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Gabe Doing Fan Things. I'm your host, Gabe Doing Fan Things, and what we see here is a CEI ceiling fan in antique brass. This fan is dated 1989. It's got 5 cane blades that are oak contact paper. Interesting tidbit about this fan is it is flush mount only. The canopy is bolted to the motor housing, so no down rod option for this. Fan has an integrated 3-light turtle fitter with, whatever glass that is. This glass is not original, but it is one of the 3 sets of shades that came with this fan. This fan had 2 sets of hunter shades in the box and 1 set of these shades. I don't know what this would have had originally. I would assume tulip, and I picked this fan up at a flea market for $3. So for $3, I like small G events enough to where I said, I'll get it. So now it's brought home and on the testing rig. Also, you'll notice the switch housing is super long. I don't know why that is. It serves nothing to the purpose of the fan. It just makes it look dumb. But let's go ahead and get the lights on. Just using 3 regular LEDs. Drawing 24.5 watts, 0.31 amps. Go ahead and shut the light off. Turn the fan to low speed. Motor inside is just your typical 153 by 10-ish that every single 42-inch fan in the world has. Nothing special, but an interesting thing about the motor is normally CEI motors have holes in them. This one has air-cool style vents, which is very odd, but it's still labeled as CEI, so I'm going to assume that's what it is. Brand-wise, I'm not sure what it would have been sold as. It could have been Crest, Bahama. It could have been a Sears Roebuck, something like that. Current draw on low speed is 0.2 amps, 23.1 watts, 0.95 power factors, and that's about it. Let's go up to medium speed. Medium speed is pretty fast. I do wish that the low and medium speed on this fan were slightly slower, but I won't complain, because this fan is a very, very fast little bugger. And fast equals good. Yeah, though I do have to appreciate, although the blades are ever so slightly warped, the fan does not wobble whatsoever. So let's see what we're doing. We are doing 0.31 amps, 36.1 watts, and a power factor of 0.98. So, high speed. And like I said, it's freaking fast. It's going about 220 RPMs. It's moving a decent amount of air. Wouldn't be as powerful as, say, a Lady Delta or something, but it's definitely kicking some wind out. Again, it's absolutely silent, which I find kind of surprising for a CEI fan, because all the ones I've had up until this point have had absolutely shot bearings. So let's go ahead and get on our high-speed close-up. Very good air mover. Absolutely love this fan. So let's go ahead and do our power readings. It is drawing 0.43 amps, 50.9 watts, and a power factor. It's fluctuating between 0.99 and just 9. let's go ahead and get that reading with the light kit. 0.68 amps and 75.4 watts and a power factor of 0.92. So let's go ahead and shut the fan down. Spin on this fan's relatively quick because it's got light blades. Absolutely love this fan. Well, that is the end of this week's edition of Gabe Doing Fan Things. Hopefully, if you guys liked the video, just be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss another video. Make sure to follow my social media pages on my Instagram. I am going to start a TikTok just because I can, because I will. Because this is my party, I can cry if I want to. Other than that, I will see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday.